So this feels like you are just relaxing your hair, because it's making my hair kind of slip down and looking so soft. Like it feels so soft. It looks like it's just like you're applying aloe vera. Yeah. So I'm gonna really I don't want to use this anyhow. I will try and use this 3 times. So oh man, this is all I got left. What? No, 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 no. It's time to wash my hair with BASK product. Here we have Scalp Moisturizing Leave-In Treatment. So this is coming last. We have 4 different products here. So if you want to complete one, this is shampoo, BASK Balancing Shampoo. This is made with aloe vera and mint. Niacinamide. Niacinamide is a product that you can read about on Google. It works very well with your hair. So this is coming second, because before shampoo, BASK has done something very, very interesting. They did something called pre-shampoo. So I'll call it pre-poo, because I've heard that before. So this is going to be pre-shampoo. You use this first. So let's see what this looks like. I'm using it first. And this is a conditioner. So this is called Scalp Restoring Conditioner, made with aloe vera, mint, and babasu oil. So I'm going to be doing, I'll show you guys that I'll be making this one. So because I have to leave it for 30 minutes, actually they said before shampooing, apply a generous amount to wet or dry hair. So I'm using it on a dry hair. Gently massage using your fingers or a wide tooth comb. Oh boy. Working from hand to roots, okay? Massage thoroughly using your fingertips for enhanced hydration and easier detangling. Cover hair with a plastic cap and leave on for 10 to 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Follow the BASK Scalp Balancing Shampoo, okay? That's what it looks like. It just looks like aloe vera gel. So I'm going to be doing that now. I don't know if I should wet my hair first, but let me just do that now. So I'll be applying it on my dry hair. I don't know how many times you can use this, but I'm sure it's going to be maybe with your... So I could just buy only this, even if you don't want to buy the whole box. I mean, this one alone, this pre-shampoo is the best. And I was thinking it could last me for 3 times, but I think it's best to wet your hair first before you use it, because I left my hair dry and then I applied it on my dry hair. That was why I was able to finish the whole thing. Well, we were asked to leave this pre-shampoo on your hair for 10 to 30 minutes, which means maximum of 30 minutes. But because my hair is so stubborn, I left it for almost 1 hour. So let's try the leave-in treatment. Leave-in treatment is applied to clean, damp hair, which is this, and distribute evenly from roots to the hand. Gently massage into scalp, and so on and so forth. So, oh, this looks like cream. I love that. Right. So first of all, let me hope I've lost most of my front hair to all of this braider. Alright, so this is the only one that I have issues with. It does not give me all of the other experiences I had with the other products. You know, there were 3 in the box. So this last one called leave-in treatment feels somehow on my hair. It doesn't give me that relaxing and softness experience that I experienced with the other 3. But one thing I know about BASK and Lather is that their product is one of the best I've experienced on TikTok Shop. But I don't really care, because their product is one of the best that I've ever experienced on TikTok Shop. But I trust them and I know this will work for me. Grab your